Namaste everyone and welcome back to my channel Grihalo. In today's video, we are going to be discovering the significators of Mars and how to see whether Mars is giving good results or not in your horoscope. Let's deep dive. Mars, it represents your younger brother. It represents the armed forces, the law enforcement agencies. It is a representation of courage, conflicts in your life. It is the drive, the passion that you have towards things. It is the fire element in your body. It is also known as the Dehakarak, which means your physical body. All your physical body is governed by Mars. It governs injuries, it governs mishappenings. All the accidents that happen in your life, physical accidents, they are governed and represented by Mars. So how to see whether your Mars is giving good results or not? Are you accident prone? Do you fall too much? Do you have physical accidents every now and then? That means your Mars is not balanced and that needs balancing. Another thing that you can check is how are your relations with your younger brother. If they are good, then Mars is giving good results. If they are not, then it needs balancing. Similarly, Mars also represents your digestive power, your fire inside your digestive system. If it is imbalanced, that would lead to troubles related to the stomach. Mostly, everything is connected to stomach. All the diseases are connected some way or the other to your stomach. So the best way is to balance Mars in case of if the fire is excessive or a little less. So the best way to improve your Mars is involving yourself in any sort of physical activity that you are comfortable with, like gymming, playing any sort of sport that you like. Or if you cannot do those, then probably treating yourself to a body massage on a regular basis. This will balance out your Mars. I hope this video was helpful. Over to Mercury in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.